Okay, welcome everybody. This is Rob from Tech Ideas in Action, and as the first video of this channel that I'm starting today, I'm going to talk about the new project that I'll be working on. The first one will be the site for this channel where I will keep all the videos and everything about all the projects that I'll be working on the website. So my idea is actually to have just a website where I could give all the followers all the correct sequence for all the videos. This will be the MVP, I would say, because actually later maybe I have a few ideas about what it could contain. So for example, there could be profile where your users could have like multiple cards for all the videos, but as the first version I would keep it simple. So I'd say like there would be a logo maybe in the middle like this, and I don't know, like I'll just scat it first, and I still don't know if there will be a profile here or somewhere. And yeah, we can have like a footer here, and then the main idea is to keep all the projects here as cards. So for example, if I have this project, let's say that I'll have a card for it, and then in this card I don't know, like I'll have the project name here. I could have like the amount of videos in front of it. So for example, let's say that I have 10 videos. I will keep all of them in sequence, and then later on when I have a different project, then I'll have the same here. I'll have the project name, the amount of videos for that project, and I'll just have the cards like that, like multiple cards in the website. And then what would be the difference between having just the videos in the YouTube channel and here? Maybe it's that the user could go to the website and check more about the project. Like there could be, what is the description, what is the project about. So for example, if we have, let's maybe make it double here, and then let me just remove this and this, and then let's say that when the user goes to the specific project, it will contain more info about that project. Let's say that it will have the project information in one side, and then in the other side maybe it will have multiple videos like this, maybe the title or anything like that. So I'll keep going and posting the videos here. Anyway, this is just an idea that I will start with, and then I work on this for today for a few hours, and later on I'll go back here and show you what's the progress that I have done for today. Okay, also later I'll do some changes in this YouTube channel here where I'll keep all the projects videos. All right, I'll have some logos and some um, profile picture and all of that, banners and everything. So let's see. I'll return now. It's almost 4 p.m. I will probably return later on, and then share with you what is the progress on this today. All right. Okay. All right. See you later. Bye. All right, so after some time work on this project, what I have so far is a very basic landing page where the user has access to the project that I'm working. Um, so there is the team selection here, and then yeah, I'll improve this card later. But the idea is the same that I discussed before. So there will be a bunch of cards, and then there will be the project name with the list of the videos here. At the moment, if I click on the project, it will just show the list of videos. There's a breadcrumb here where the user can go navigate between the sessions in the website. There's no logo or anything like that, so I'll improve that part as well. But yeah, that's the progress here. If the user clicks this button, open a YouTube video from the website. So yeah, with this I'll probably add more details related to the project, as in the picture here. So there will be project details here and the list of videos here on the other side. I'll probably, I was thinking about adding some kind of statistics here to this part. So for example, on the top of the screen, I'll have some statistics about the project. Let's say, for example, the amount of time that I've been working on that project, or like how many videos I have already recorded for that project, or how many, I don't know, any other detail about the project. So yeah, I'll keep work on this today, and let's see what's the progress. But yeah, I'll keep you posted. Thank you. See you later. Okay, so after quite some time, this is the layout that I had before, and for this is for the landing page, and this other one is for the project details page. There would be some cards, and here there would be the detailed project page, and that's what we drawed before, and that was the idea when I started. And this is how it looks right now. So at the moment, I decided to put some statistics here on the top of the page, and after these stats, I have all those cards as drawn here. So then there is the status of the project, if it is work in progress or if it is completed. I have quite few status for these projects in the background. And then also there is the percentage of the completion. So then we know how much progress has been done on these projects here. So after going into one of the projects, then it's similar to the layout that we had before, where we had a page and the details for the project, and then there will be statistics and the list of videos here and the footer here. But then when designing it, I decided to have the details of the project on this side. Then I added these two boxes here, one for the problem statement and other for the solution that is being worked. So here there will be like what's the problem, what the solution is, and then some of the statistics. And in the bottom here there is the all the videos published for that project. So let's go back, and for example, if I go to one that has videos, it will have the same layout here, same stats, and in the bottom here there will be the list of videos. Okay, there is like dark mode breadcrumbs here that we can navigate between the projects. So far there is no backend integration, so it's all front end, and I am adding all the details in a file that is read by the front end application, and then it just renders whatever project I have in that file here. But the idea is that like in future I'll have maybe profiles here where users could have their projects in this page, and then maybe some kind of newsletter where people can just subscribe to that person project, so whatever, like they can follow what's being done by that person. um yeah, that's it for this one. I'll keep as it is, and then I work on this one that I have in progress already, then that is almost finished, the Monaco's app, that's already published, and I still have to finish here actually and change some of the details related to these projects. But yeah, I'll start publishing more videos about this one that I have been working on so for a while. But that's it. uh, I'll keep you posted. I hope you follow this channel and subscribe and try to see the projects that I'm working at the moment, and maybe in the future you can also work on your projects and have in this page here. All right, see you. Thank you. Bye.